Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, English with Emily and Paul.
Hi guys, it's great to see you here again. Today we have a super useful topic.
Yes, we're going to show you how to talk to a taxi driver in English.
This is something everyone needs when traveling or living abroad.
Exactly. We'll teach you what to say when you get in a taxi, how to ask for directions, and even how to make small talk.
Stay with us till the end because we'll also do a short practice session together.
And don't forget to subscribe and like this video to keep learning with us.
Okay, ready? Let's go for a ride. All right, let's start from the beginning. You walk up to a taxi. What's the first thing you say?
You can simply say hi or hello to the driver. Always start politely.
Right, then you say where you want to go. For example, to the airport, please.
Or, I'd like to go to Central Park, please. Let's repeat that together, learners. I'd like to go to Central Park, please.
Great. You can also say, can you take me to the train station?
That's a good question form. Can you take me to... Then add your destination.
Like, can you take me to the Hilton Hotel?
Exactly.
And remember, always add please. It sounds polite and friendly.
Taxi drivers appreciate that. Now, sometimes you might want to ask how much it costs.
Yes, you can ask, how much is it to the airport?
Or, how much will it cost to go to the hotel?
Some taxis have a meter. The driver might say, it depends on the traffic.
If you're not sure, you can ask, can you tell me the price before we go?
That's polite and smart. Also, you might want to ask how long the trip will take.
You can say, how long will it take? Or, is it far from here?
Perfect. And sometimes the driver might say, about 20 minutes.
If you didn't understand, just say, sorry, can you say that again, please?
That's a very useful sentence.
Yes, never be afraid to ask again. Taxi drivers are used to helping people.
Okay, now you're in the taxi. What kind of small talk can you make?
You can ask, how's your date going? Or, is it busy today?
That's a nice way to sound friendly.
The driver might say, yes, a lot of traffic today.
Then you can reply, oh, really? I hope it's not too bad.
Yes, a very natural reaction.
You can also say something about the city, like, the city looks beautiful at night.
Or, it's my first time here. That usually makes the driver smile.
They might even give you some local tips.
True. Sometimes drivers love to recommend places to eat or visit.
If you want to change the topic or rest, you can politely say, I'm just going to relax for a bit.
That's a good way to stop the conversation without sounding rude. Sometimes you may need to give directions.
Yes, for example, please turn left here.
Or, go straight, then turn right.
Let's repeat together. Turn left.
Go straight.
Turn right.
Good job.
You can also say, please stop here, or please stop at the corner.
Exactly. That's useful when you reach your destination.
And when you arrive, don't forget to say, how much is it, if you haven't paid yet.
Then you can say, here you go, when giving money.
And finally, keep the change if you want to give a tip.
Or just say, thank you very much. Always end with kindness.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice, learners. We'll ask some questions and you can answer aloud, listeners. Ready?
You get into a taxi. What do you say first?
Great. You can say, hello, to the airport, please. Next question. You want to know the price. What can you ask?
How much is it to the hotel?
Nice work.
Now you want to know the time. How do you ask that?
How long will it take?
Excellent.
Now, imagine the driver says something you didn't understand. What can you say?
Sorry, can you say that again, please?
Perfect.
Last one. You arrive at your stop. What do you say?
Please stop here. Or, thank you very much.
Well done, everyone. You're doing great.
Today you learned how to talk to a taxi driver in English.
Yes, how to say where you want to go, ask about the price, and give directions.
You also learned polite and friendly sentences for small talk.
Exactly. And remember, short and polite sentences are the key.
Try practicing these lines the next time you're in a taxi or even at home.
You can write your own short taxi conversation in the comments. We'll check some of them.
And if you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English conversation videos.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
See you in the next video.
Bye for now.